You know, when we talk about data analytics, it's easy to get lost in all the amazing tools and the sheer amount of data we have at our fingertips. But what if I told you the most powerful tool you have isn't a piece of software? What if it's way simpler than that? Turns out, it's all about the question you ask before you even start.
And this really gets to the heart of a huge problem we see everywhere. It's this paradox where organizations are literally drowning in data. I mean, they have more than they know what to do with, but they're absolutely starved for wisdom. Having more information doesn't automatically mean you make better decisions. Without a clear goal, all that data is just noise.
Just to give you a sense of the scale we're talking about, check out this number, 9,596. That's how many tweets get sent, on average, every single second. And that's just one platform. We are swimming in an ocean of big data, and the real challenge isn't about collecting it anymore. It's about making sense of it.
I absolutely love this analogy because it's just so perfect. Think about it. When you go to the doctor, they don't just run every test in the book, right? No, they listen to you, they ask really specific questions, and then they figure out what to look for. A great data analyst does the exact same thing for a business. They start by asking sharp, targeted questions to diagnose the real problem.
Okay, so this is the official by-the-book process for data analytics. You've got these 5 key stages, but I want you to notice what's highlighted here. We're zeroing in on stage 1, define the business question. Because honestly, if you get this first step wrong, the other 4 stages are pretty much a waste of time.
And hey, for anybody out there studying for a professional exam, burn this into your brain. This is the core concept. They're testing your ability to connect the data back to a real business goal. So the most important thing to remember is this. All of it, starts with the question. All right, to really bring this home, let's walk through a little story. Let's call it a tale of 2 KPIs. You're about to see how just a small change in the question you ask can lead you to a completely different and way more powerful key performance indicator.
So on the left, you've got a goal we hear all the time, grow the business. It sounds good, right? But what does that actually mean? It's super vague. Now look at the right, a much more specific goal. Improve profitability. See the difference? This isn't just about getting bigger, it's about getting healthier and smarter. And here's where the rubber meets the road. That vague goal, it leads you to track total revenue. But here's the trap. You can grow your revenue while your costs are secretly spiraling out of control, making you less profitable. But that specific goal, improve profitability, points us to a much smarter KPI, net profit margin.
So what exactly is net profit margin? Well, it's basically the percentage of your revenue that's left after you've paid for everything else. All your expenses, your taxes, all of it. This little number doesn't just tell you how big your company is, it tells you how efficient and how truly healthy it is. It's answering the real question.
Okay, so you've done the hard work. You've sharpened your goal, you've picked a great KPI, you have the right question. Now what? How do you actually use all that data to find the answer? Well, this is where the different types of data analytics come into play. This is a fantastic framework. It lays out the 4 main methods of data analytics. And the beautiful thing is, each method is perfectly designed to answer a different kind of question. The question you ask determines the tool you use. It's that simple.
First up, we've got descriptive analytics. This is the most common one, the one you're probably most familiar with. It answers the simple, fundamental question, what happened? It's all about looking at past data to tell you something like, our net profit margin went down by 2% last quarter.
Next, we've got to go a level deeper. That's diagnostic analytics. This is where you put on your detective hat. It asks, why did it happen? So, okay, our profit margin dropped. But why? Was it because a new supplier jacked up our costs? Or did that big marketing campaign not work as well as we'd hoped? This is how you find the root cause.
From there, things start to get really interesting, because we can start looking forward with predictive analytics. This type of analysis answers what might happen. We look at all our historical data and patterns to make an educated guess about the future. For instance, we might predict that if we don't change anything, our profit margin is going to drop another 1% next quarter.
And finally, we get to the most advanced stage. The holy grail, really, prescriptive analytics. This answers the ultimate question for any business. What needs to be done? It takes everything we've learned from the other stages and actually recommends specific actions. It might tell us, hey, to hit that 10% profit margin goal, you need to go renegotiate with that new supplier and shift your marketing dollars over here. It gives you the playbook.
And of course, it's not just about net profit margin. The world is full of powerful KPIs.
Depending on your question, you might look at the current ratio to see if you have enough cash on hand, or budget variance to see if you're overspending. You could check your debt-to-equity ratio to understand your financial risk, or even dig into something like vendor payment errors to make your operations smoother. Every single one starts with a very specific question.
So if you take only one thing away from all this, let it be this idea right here. A brilliant, complex analysis of a fuzzy, irrelevant question is completely and utterly useless. The quality of your analysis, the quality of the insights you find, is a direct mirror of the quality of the question you asked in the first place.
And so that leaves me with one final challenge for you. The next time you're about to open a spreadsheet or run a report, just stop. Stop and ask yourself this. What is the single most important question my business needs to answer right now? If you start there, you won't just find more data. You'll find wisdom.